Welcome to Sister's Kitchen India. To subscribe my channel, please click on the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button to get daily notifications.
Hello friends, today I'll be showing you a very easy breakfast recipe, that is cheese omelette. So let's check it. To prepare cheese omelette, here we have taken a big bowl in which I am adding 2 beaten eggs. Next I am going to add some veggies. In here I am adding 1 chopped onion, I'm adding some chopped capsicum. You can add yellow and red bell pepper as well. Next I am adding some chopped green chilies and some chopped tomatoes. Next I am going to season this with some salt and black pepper. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt and some black pepper. Now I am going to mix it properly and make a thick egg mix. Now it's time to fry our egg. Here we have taken some white oil into our karai. Now I'm going to add our egg mix into this, and now I'll be cooking it for almost 3 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, as you can see, the egg has started cooking. Now I'm going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese on top of our egg. Now I'm going to flip this omelette from one side. Our cheese omelette is absolutely ready.